Emma wakes up early on Sunday morning. She looks outside her window. The sky is bright blue. The sun is shining. It is a perfect day for the beach. Emma smiles. She loves the beach. She puts on a t-shirt and shorts. She packs a beach bag. Inside the bag, she puts a towel, sunscreen, sunglasses, a water bottle, and a book. She also brings a small camera. Her brother Jack is waiting outside. "Are you ready?" he asks. Emma nods. "Let's go." They arrive to the beach. The road is busy because many people have the same idea. After about 40 minutes, they arrive. The beach is beautiful. The sand is soft and warm. Some people are swimming. Others are playing volleyball. Emma takes off her shoes. She walks on the sand. The sand feels warm under her feet. She takes a deep breath. The fresh sea air makes her feel relaxed. Jack runs into the water. The water is great, he shouts. Emma laughs and follows him. The water is cool but comfortable. They swim together for a long time. Sometimes they splash water at each other. Sometimes they simply float and look at the sky. Later, they come back to the beach. Emma sits on her towel. She drinks some water. Then she opens her book. She reads for 20 minutes while listening to the sound of the waves. The gentle sound makes her feel peaceful. Around noon, they become hungry. They open a small picnic basket. Inside, there are sandwiches, apples, cookies, and orange juice. Everything tastes delicious after swimming. After lunch, they decide to walk along the beach. They collect beautiful seashells. Emma finds one shaped like a heart. She smiles and puts it in her pocket. "I will keep this," she says. As they continue walking, they see a family flying a colorful kite. The kite moves high in the sky. The children laugh with excitement. Emma takes a few photos with her camera. She wants to remember this wonderful day. In the afternoon, the beach becomes quieter. Some people go home. Others stay to watch the waves. Emma and Jack sit on the sand. They watch seagulls flying over the water. The wind is gentle. Everything feels calm. As the sun begins to set, the sky changes color. It becomes orange, pink, and purple. The sunset is beautiful. Emma quietly says, "This is my favorite part of the day." Jack smiles. "Mine too." Before leaving, they clean the area around them. They put all their trash into a bag. Emma believes that everyone should help keep the beach clean. Finally, they walk back to the car. They feel tired but happy. On the drive home, Emma looks at the photos on her camera. She smiles again. The day was simple. Today was peaceful. Sometimes the best days are not expensive or exciting. Sometimes happiness is just a sunny day, the sound of the waves, and time with someone you love. Haha, done. Great job. Thank you for your listening. See you in the next episode of Easy English Real World.